Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by opening Find My Device while signed into the Google account that's on the lost phone. Make sure location services and mobile data or Wi-Fi are active on the device you'll search from, because the app needs a live connection to show position. Once done, select the target device from the top list. The app queries Google's servers for the latest coordinates and status. This first step both authenticates you and initiates the location request, so the rest of the process works. Now you'll interpret the results and take protective actions. If the map shows a recent location, tap it to center and zoom. Note the last seen time to judge accuracy. If it's nearby, hit play sound. This forces a loud alarm so you can locate it even if silent. If you suspect theft or public loss, choose Secure Device to lock the screen and add a contact message. This prevents access to data and increases chances of recovery while you decide next steps. Finish by choosing the correct end action. If you can recover the phone, arrange retrieval safely. If not, use Erase Device as a last resort because it permanently deletes your account and disables tracking. Once erased, the device can't be located, so make sure you've exhausted options. If tracking fails, make sure the lost device is powered, online, and logged into the same account, then refresh the console and check Google account activity for clues. If needed, contact your carrier to suspend service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.